What is up, guys? It's your boy LSX Vic. If you guys probably didn't notice, I did change my YouTube channel name. I don't know where I'm picking up off this video. I know it's a new video, but so I was getting a haircut by my cousin. You know, we were just talking about cars and shit, and he needed the 6.0, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell the 6.0 to him. Let me show you guys the calipers I'm doing right now. Got these brand new for the truck. Shout out to O'Reilly's. And you guys can tell I got a new cut, or I got a cut. We got the truck over here. Got the trailer full. Got the hoist my boy Will let me borrow. And let me show you guys the old truck. Let me flip the camera so you guys can see. This is the old truck. It's a super short bed. It's a little smart car bed. But yeah, this bitch is going to the junkyard pretty soon. I'm not even gonna take the headliner out of it because I don't really give a fuck about the headliner. I'll just do a brand new one. But yeah, it's fucking hot in Chicago today. It's like 80 degrees. Today was senior ditch day. Obviously, I ditched to do some other shit. It's a fuel tank off the white one. It still's got a lot of gas in it. I really don't want to siphon it, but shit happens. So yeah, I'm about to strap this down. I'm gonna get ready to take it to the scrapyard. And one thing I did not tell you guys, so I'm gonna roll the clip. You guys are gonna make fun of me for this. Basically, when I said this, Colorado cone with fucking 5.3 in it. Nah, bro. Yeah, I know. I kind of contradicted myself when I said, oh, this is not going to be one of those SS 5.3 clones. But Saturday, I'm going to go pick up a 5.3 motor. Because really, it's already got the pistons, the crankshaft, and everything. And I got it for a good-ass deal. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that. And then the dude's also selling a turbo kit for it. I forgot how much exactly he wanted, but he's got 2 turbos. One of them needs a rebuild, and the other one's perfect, comes with the downpipes and all that other shit. So I might record that when I go Saturday to go pick it up. And yeah, I mean, it's been taking a little minute. I'm gonna go pick up another sunroof for this truck because the one I had bought, I got it off a Tahoe. Didn't quite fit because I need one off an Impala, but I was kind of thirsty just to cut out a sunroof. I'm gonna go pick that up today, so I'm gonna record that for you guys. And oh, forgot to show you guys this. I did an electric door panel swap on this one. You guys can see, got the buttons and everything. I just need to get it for the other door, and I should be all good with the red interior. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I go drop this off at the scrapyard, and then I'll head over to the junkyard to go get the sunroof. It's too hot. I don't really want to do shit, but it's better than it being cold. So I'll catch you guys then. Alright guys, so it's extremely fucking hot, 72 degrees right now. Ya se la trae la lista. I'm on my way to the scrapyard. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's windy as hell, but there's still a fuck ton of more stuff. Damn, this shit is heavy. Pick up the camera as soon as I weigh out and head over to the junkyard. Got this bitch all cleaned out. I'm not gonna say my back didn't hurt, but my back does hurt. Yeah, fuga to the fucking, what's it called? Junkyard. Alright guys, so I guess I'm just gonna be getting off this Impala or Malibu SS. It's got the sunroof and everything on the switch. I'm gonna start cutting right now, and I'm gonna take it out. Alright guys, so the sunroof is starting to come down. You guys can see. I just need to unbolt 2 more bolts on this side, and it should slide right out. Cut up all the headliner already. If you guys are thinking about doing the sunroof, have somebody do it for you because this is a bitch to take out. That I will tell you guys. And I got all the top cut. I don't really think I'm gonna end up using it, but man, this is a bitch to do. I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get it out and I get the fuck up out of here. And I don't got no waters and I left them in the truck. Holy shit. Oh my god. This time made me want to kill myself, not gonna lie. But it's all good. Now it's time to throw it onto the little downy and get the fuck up out of here. Alright guys, so I don't know if I should cry now or cry later. I called my boy Ramon to see if the sunroof I had taken off was any good. And so I just started walking. I seen this car, busted open the headliner, and he told me this is the one that fits. Fuck. So we gotta start all over again, but this one should be a lot quicker because I'm just gonna take that off and then pull the sunroof off and cut the fucking roof off. So I'll catch you guys right now. I'm fucking dying of thirst, man. Been out here for 3 hours. Wait out there to drink. Fuck. Alright guys, so you guys will not believe what the fuck happened. Taking this off, right? I just need that one little side left. Fucking both the batteries died. So now I'm thinking like, what the fuck should I do? So I hit up my boy who works here. See if he's got a Sawzall or a battery I could borrow. Just so I could cut this and get the fuck up out of here. I've been here for almost 3-4 fucking hours. I don't know. I lost concept of time. Damn. I knew I should have brought more batteries.
3 hours later.
Alright guys. I look crazy. It's all good. Just got an LKQ. And the fucking trailer is gonna want to fucking... What's that thing called? It's gonna want a scissor. It's gonna scissor like it's a lesbo. It's no biggie. Gonna let it. Oh shit, it says it. Okay, I'll pick up the camera right now as soon as I get out because I'm fucking frustrated.
Later.
Alright, now we're good to fucking rock and roll. It's extremely hot. Oh my god. I know I wanted summer so bad, but god damn. 80 degrees. Got this little good monster. Oh shit, I don't even know what flavor it is. God damn, bro. Good thing I got that haircut this morning because, fuck, I would have been rough. Would have been so rough with the long ass hair I had. But I'll catch up to you guys as soon as I get to the crib and I settle down because, boy, am I tired. Alright, I'll catch you guys right now. Alright, guys, so I just made it home. This is all I grabbed. Holy fuck, I'm tired. Pick up the camera when I unload everything. Alright guys, so I'm tired as fuck. I tried to put in the front end, but that shit was hard. Everything is unaligned, so I gotta do a realignment on the whole front end. But, yeah. It fits at least. I know that now. See, look. It's too fucking small. The bumper won't even sit right. This other side is perfect. It's just that fucking, the passenger side. Man, I gotta redo this whole shit. How it looks like from far away though. It looks better now. But, that's where I'm gonna end off the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And I'll catch you guys next time.